بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
The next thing we'll see a couple of questions. Probably one question on the logging options. Now, if you try to see here, there is a question on logging where it says that what will be the if you're configuring the log messages to logging trap warning. These are actually levels. If you are setting the logging trap to warning message, what are the different log messages the router is going to send? So basically, for this, you need to understand the levels of the logging normally. So whenever we enable the logging, so by default the logging will be enabled till informational messages normally, but debugging messages are not enabled. So by default the debug messages are not sent to the log server or the logging console if you have enabled basically. So we can define the levels, like you can say that the logging should be only done only for emergencies, like kind of system related issues or some kind of alerts, critical errors, kind of things. Like these are the different categories of the loggings. So if you enable the logging informational, then automatically all the below will be logged. So similar way the question says here, if you are trying to logging a trap for the warning level, warning means if you're enabling this, what are the different logs will be enabled automatically. So by default, when you're enabling the logging for warning, which means the level 4, automatically all the levels below to that will be logged. And that's what this answer is. When you're trying to enable the logging for warning messages, then basically the router is going to send out the log messages from 0 to 4 normally. So it depends, just need to remember these names, because sometimes the questions will be asked in terms of names or the numbers. If it is numbers, it's easy. Generally, you just need to know this order. So informational comes in the 6, warning comes in the 4, notification messages comes in the 6. Again, the debugging comes in the 7 option.